welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me glowy makeup look, and I wanted to share something with you guys that was sent to me. This is the Sand and Sky Australian Clay Mask. This is the Flash Perfection Exfoliating Treatment. So they reached out to me and they were like, hey Alexis, we want to be part of your get ready with me, and I was like, so I will be reviewing this, and this is a sponsored video with Sand and Sky, but like always, I'm always 100% with you guys, so let's see if we like it. So this is a Sand and Sky. So first we're going to apply the mask, remove it, and then we're going to be doing a get ready with me. I like that it says mattifying because my skin has been acting up, and you guys already know my nose gets oily at times, so let's try this out. You guys know I like getting all up close and personal, and this is something that they wanted me to do. They wanted me to show you guys my skin. They wanted me to get up close, and I'm like, I do that all the time. So I love that. So let's take it out. This is how it looks. The super powerful blend of Australian botanicals is a double action exfoliant and a flash treatment all in one. The Australian pink clay detoxifies and refines your pores. The antioxidants from botanical oils will leave your skin with a radiant glow. That's what we want, okay? If you have very sensitive skin, leave on your skin for 5 minutes. Don't massage. Use up to 3 times a week. I love that it said that about the sensitive skin because I do have a few people in my life who have sensitive skin, and when I recommend something, that's the first thing they always ask is it good for sensitive skin? But now I can be like, yeah, but don't massage it, girl. Don't massage it. So I'm excited. You guys know I love skincare. I love skincare. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom in. We're gonna check out my face, and then we're gonna apply the product, and then we're gonna see if you can see a difference. I got some water, so I'm just going to make sure my face is a little moist. Ooh. Oh, that smells good, you guys. Okay, I'm just going to massage it in our face. Ooh, that feels good. I could see why it said to massage in. Oh, that feels so good. My face smells so good, you guys. Okay, so I'm going to leave this on for 5 minutes, and then we'll be right back. My skin feels so soft, and like it feels soft, and like it has like some moisture in my face. I've used other clays before, and where you remove it and you feel like the freaking life got sucked out of your skin. Okay, you know what I'm talking about. This didn't do that. This feels so freaking good. This isn't the only time you guys are gonna see me use this. It feels so good. Like it feels so soft. I can't stop touching it. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see how my face looks. Okay, and here is up close. Let's fix my brows. Thank you so much, Sand and Sky. This is awesome. Okay, so since we got a head start on our skin and it looks nice, feels nice, let's get to our eyebrows. Now for eyebrows, I will be going in with the LA Girl pomade. I will be using a Morphe E28 brush. It's going to do the tail and then fill in our brow. Today we're going to be playing with the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, Armed and Gorgeous. Look how beautiful these shades are. They're just screaming to me. So before we go in and apply any eyeshadow, I will be using my Tarte Shape Tape as an eyeshadow base. And I'm using a Morphe G34 brush to blend this out. Going in with Access, the shade right here, using a MakeupShack T48 Brush, and we're just going to blend that all over. Just want to get that shade all over my lid, just so that when we apply the other shades, it's kind of like peekaboo, you can see it. Now going in with this pretty shade right here, which is Agent. That shade is so freaking pretty. I think that would be a pretty all over the eyelid with a really pretty wing, and boom, makeup look is done. Complete. Going in with that shade, using a Morphe E28. We're just going to apply that right in our crease to warm that up. Oh, just going to apply and blend. Ooh, that shade, yeah, I'm going to like that shade a lot. Agent. Oh yeah. So now we're gonna go in with the shade right here, Smooth Criminal. And we're gonna be using a MakeupShack T48. I'm just applying the tape because this is going to help build up the shade that I want to have right there. So now I'm going to go back in with the BH Cosmetics brush. This is a number 5, and I will be picking up Smooth Criminal and On the Prowl. So these two shades right here. And we're just going to kind of just pack that just on my outer V area right here. Okay, and when I'm doing that, I'm going to be going in with the MakeupShack brush with access on it and just making sure that it's blended up here. Just making sure that we don't lose that color right there. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Guilt Trip. Guilt Trip is right here. Go in with the MakeupShack T48. And I'm going to use the Morphe Prep and Set. Oh, I don't see me use my finger. Woo! With the finger, hell yeah, more pigmentation for sure than just with the brush itself. Holy crap, that was like a huge difference, huh? See? So use your best tools, which are your fingers. But when you use your finger, it's just like, what's up? Boom! It's there. Okay, so now for our face, I will be using the Drunk Elephant Marula oil. This stuff, you guys, I've been telling you guys forever. It's such a good oil. It's been doing wonders to my skin. I love it, I love it, I love it. Now using the Amazing Cosmetics Illuminate Primer Highlighter, and this is in the shade Bronze. I want to give my skin a really pretty kind of glowy look. Ooh, that made my skin look so nice and just glowy. Okay, now going in with foundation using the LA Girl Pro Matte HD Longwear Matte Foundation. And this is in the shade Sand. So I haven't tried this. This is the Maybelline Master Camo Color Correcting Light to Medium. I like the Dofa applicator. Look at that. That looks so freaking cool. So you guys know I like highlighting my under eye with yellow. So I'm hoping this goes good. Okay, so it came out. Let's see. Oh, that is really. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I like it for the middle of my nose. Just. Do they have concealers with the same applicator? Because if they did, that would be freaking cool. Okay, so we're just going to blend this in. Ooh, I like that. Now going in with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and this is in the shade Cocoa. Just a little something. I'm going back in with that Real Techniques brush. Like, look how pigmented that is. That was just 3 dots. And boom. Just going to blend it out with the brush, and then we're gonna go back in with the damp beauty sponge. Now I'm gonna wet the beauty blender again, or we're gonna spray it with the Morphe Prep and Set. And we're just going to lightly blend this. Blend the forehead. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Peach Perfect. I've talked about this a lot. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with my Becca Glow Face palette. If you guys have not played around with this palette, oh, what are you doing? It's so freaking beautiful. So we're gonna go in with my BH1 brush, and we're going to pick up this shade right here. And we're going to apply that. We will be picking up this shade right here, and we're gonna bring that up right there. So I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox Always On eyeliner, and this is in Baller. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is Secure, using a MakeupShack T12. We're just going to lightly blend that underneath. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with Top Secret. This shade has been calling me. I wanna add a little pop, so going in with the Urban Decay Heavy Metal. I'm just gonna add just a little bit right here, just to give it an extra little sparkle. So it just gives it a little bit, not doing the whole eye, just a little like kiss. When it catches some light, it's just like boom. So I wanna do a full lip swatch video dedicated to this amazing package right here. This is from the Lancome. This is 30 buildable high shine shades, and it has a 6-hour wear. Look how freaking beautiful this is, you guys. Woo! This is number 274. Packaging is so gorgeous. To line my lips, I will be using the Morphe lip liner, and this is in Crush. So this is going to be a first impressions of me applying it. That smells good. Okay, here we go. Oh my. It has pigment, but the way, oh my gosh, it feels like so light, you guys. It feels like water, but it has pigmentation and it dries really nice. Like, that's so crazy. Damn, that felt good. Those moments when you try out a makeup product and you're just literally like, let's move on with the video. Okay, so now we're going to go in with this shade right here, the middle shade. We're gonna go in with our beauty sponge. We're gonna pick up some of that highlight and we're going to dab, okay? Let's go in and we're going to dab a little bit over here. Now we're gonna go in and spray our face with the Morphe Prep and Set. And this is the end look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updating my videos. Hope you guys enjoyed this Get Ready With Me glowy / makeup tutorial look. I hope you guys really did enjoy. I enjoyed creating this, and I really love how my skin looks right now, so hopefully I can get some good pregnant selfies with my front side and my eye look, just a little boop. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.